Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add text stroke effect in your Elementor WordPress website. Now let me go back to my demo website. Now let me add the page name test3. Click publish. Now view the page from here. Click edit with Elementor. Here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. Click here plus button, then flex box. Add a new container. Now let me search for heading. Add it here. Let me change the text. Hello, enable website design. Then align the text in the center. Change the font color, typography. Let me change the size. That looks perfect. Now let's go to advanced tab. Here we need to add some custom CSS. I will give you a link in the description so that you can directly copy it, and after that you can add it into your website. Simply you can go to custom CSS, then add this CSS code here. Make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro so that you will get this option enabled. Then click here layout. Here we need to add the class. The first one, animated header without the period, without the dot. You need to copy it and then add it here. Here you can see that is working perfectly. So in this way you can easily use this text stroke effect in your website.